Hey guys, good day. Today I just want to update you real quick on major airdrop. Now they are officially announced that they are listing on the 28th of this month, which means they'll be listing around probably next week. Yeah, probably next week we'll be listing. So guys, today is the last chance. This week you got a chance to get this achievement. And remember, they said this achievement earns additional bonus in the future, so it is something that is necessary to achieve. Now to get this achievement, you need to perform 0.3 ton. I've not done this. If you like, you do. If you like, don't do. I don't encourage anyone to do, because most of this airdrop, when you pay money, sometimes you end up losing when pay money, while sometimes you can be profitable. You just have to follow the strategy. Don't spend money anyhow, except if you ask me in the comment section, I will tell you what to do. So but for in the sake of this video, don't follow don't follow the claiming of the achievement, except you are willing to pay. Don't blame anybody for it. You see, I see many people blame a lot of people that have spent $80, have spent $70 on airdrop you don't know about. You understand? So there are criteria for spending money on airdrop. So if you want to know, you can comment in the comment section. I will tell you what those criteria is. So guys, that is for today's update, and their listing is around the corner. These are ways to get more coins. These are to see your rank. Most importantly, this is where to see your rank. Click on it. It will take you to your rank. I'm 1.1 million rank, and my balance is 1.7 million coin. And this is not the final coin I will get. They will give me the portion and everyone according to their participation and activities in the app. So guys, do well to join this airdrop if you wish. They are listing very soon. You can still participate and earn some little coins before the official listing. So guys, bye for now. And also, if this kind of updates interest you, I have a lot of it in my channel. More ways to make money apart from airdrops. They are also in my YouTube channel, and also which I talk about in my WhatsApp community group, which you can get 24 hours update. So guys, join my WhatsApp group community and you will see the update for yourself. Bye for now. Peace. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe so that you won't miss any update in this channel, and also like the video so that you can also get quick notification wherever I update content like this. I post daily codes on airdrops. I post informations, listing criterias, and the most important information regarding any airdrop I'm posting about. So you can join and subscribe, so all this notification will be given to you as soon as I drop them in my WhatsApp group or in my YouTube channel. So guys, bye for now. Peace.